Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, is famous for saying he doesn't try to time the market. In fact, he claims to have made many mistakes, like in 2008, right after the housing crash, where he bought back publicly into a falling market 5 months too early. But looking at Buffett's performance throughout the years, his timing was also excellent in many ways. In 1967, he complained of a lack of good investment opportunities and refused to chase an extended market. A year later, the bear market of 1968 to 1970 began due to increased spending in the Vietnam War and the highest period of sustained inflation that the US had since World War II. Later on in 1995, Buffett again highlighted the scarcity of opportunities, 2 years before the Black Monday crash, where markets fell more than 20% in a single day. Then in 2000, Buffett was chastised by the press for failing to cash in on technology stocks, right up until the dot-com boom, where markets fell for 3 years straight while Berkshire continued to grow relatively unscathed. More recently, in 2021, Buffett again talked about the lack of investment opportunities, just before the stock market fell for 10 months in 2022. Does Buffett know something that we don't? Or does analyzing stock valuations give him a good idea of when prices have deviated too far from their intrinsic value? Although over a short period of time his timing is not perfect, his ability of knowing when to buy and when to abstain definitely contributed to his outstanding performance.